this is John from MyThai Reviews, and today I'm taking a look at an iPhone and iPod Touch application called iStudy Thai Vocabulary. iStudy is a software developer that hires different authors, I guess you could call them, to create the content for each of their programs. And their software is designed to teach you a wide variety of academic subjects, other languages, science, math, lots of stuff. So they're kind of like the For Dummies books in that regard, you know, like Windows for Dummies, Macs for Dummies, whatever. They're all published by the same company, but the content is provided by different authors. It's the same case here with iStudy. And my last review was iStudy Thai Alphabet, and I defended it against some pretty harsh reviews in the Apple App Store. I don't feel the same way about iStudy Thai Vocabulary. I'm not going to be standing behind this one. I think it's a little bit too random. I know there's going to be some memorization anytime you learn something new, but I like to understand words based on context and categories, have things grouped together, so I can learn, I guess, bundles of words at once that have something to do with one another. This application just kind of throws them at you, scattershot, which I don't like too much. But I'll show you what it can do, and you guys can decide for yourselves. Let's get to it.
Okay, when you launch the application, you're given two options, test mode or study mode. Study mode will take you through all of the 103 cards that are available, giving you the transliteration of the Thai word and the English translation. So you can see here, Brahman means about. Then you just skip through the cards from there on, trying to memorize them. If you go into test mode, exactly like the iStudy Thai Alphabet program, you have the question at the top, and then you tap to reveal the answer at the bottom, and then you press the corresponding button to whether you are correct or incorrect. Rua means boat. Tap that, we'll see boat, ship. I can say correct. So this is just like the alphabet application. If I ran through all 103 of these, it would grade me, give me A minus, B minus, whatever, time me, and then give me a chance to retest on the missed items. So I'm just going to zoom through this as quickly as possible. I'll edit some of this out so you don't have to see the whole thing. This is just for those who have not seen my iStudy Thai Alphabet review, because I take the time in that review to take the test seriously. So I would recommend watching that one, and I do recommend that application. Now, I don't want to sound like I think this one is completely useless. It's just that I wish the words were categorized. I think Thai vocabulary merits, dozens of these iStudy applications. I suppose the words that they put in here do make sense for a learner to be trying to grasp all at the same time. They're about at the same level, but they're just not categorized, and it's an odd method of studying. I suppose as a supplement to working in another program, this is great. But again, like I've said, the words are just so random. Let's go through it again here, and I'll just show you some of the words. Actually, let me do study mode this time so you can just see what the words are. So about, already, ant, at night, bot, bear, belt, boat, bottle, bright, light, businessman, camel, candy, chest, cigarette. I don't know anybody that wants to memorize words alphabetically. So again, maybe I'm being a little bit harsh on this one, but I definitely don't see it as being as useful as the iStudy Thai Alphabet, which is also an incomplete application, but I do think it's more polished than this, and although I think the letter choices in that one are a bit random as well. It's $1.99, so you can check it out and see for yourself.
Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned to mythaireviews.com. Take care.